Hey friends, if you wish to speed up, optimize, or make Chrome run faster, then please watch this video. So, search for Chrome and open Google Chrome. Now, I'll tell you the first solution. Disable unwanted extensions. Click on these three dots here, select extensions, and then click on manage extensions. Remove any unwanted extension. The second one is to use the default Chrome theme. Now, how do we get to the themes? Okay. Now I'll tell you this thing. Just click on your profile picture here. Click on add another profile and just click on continue without an account. And when it asks for themes, just click on delete profile and then you can go back to the main account. Okay. Basically, there should be no themes. Themes are very heavy. Then clear Chrome cache and data. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history and then click on history once again. Select delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and then select delete data. The next one is to use performance options. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools and then select performance. And then you'll find this option for energy saver here. You can turn this off. Okay, this if it is turned on, it will basically save battery on your system, and if it's turned on, it will increase the performance of Google Chrome. And lastly, reset the browser settings. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Go to the reset settings page, click on restore settings to the original defaults and then select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.